what is the password of my online downloaded Aadhaar PDF? Yes, whenever we download our Aadhaar online and we keep in thinking about that what is the password of this PDF, so that I can open this PDF and download the get a print of my Aadhaar card. So keep in asking this swal on my comments, and you ask me daily. So on how to do it today, I'm Gogi and gonna help you out that how you can easily open your PDF of Aadhaar with the password. What are the password? First of all, requesting you like the video and watch the video. As you can check out in front of your screen, that message is come that congratulations, your Aadhaar card downloaded successfully. Now, what is the password of this Aadhaar card PDF? The password will be a combination of your name and the birth year of your birth, as you can check out. That means your name's first four characters in capital letters. You have to use that, and without giving any space, you have to just enter the year of birth, in which year you born. If you think that your name is Anish Kumar, then you need to four characters of your 1 2 3 4 till this ANIS, and without giving any space. If your birth is happened on the year of 1989, then enter this 1989, and that password will be like this, Anish 1989. So find out the first four characters of your name and the year in which you born, and enter, and your PDF will be open. That's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, and if you get any problem in this too, don't forget to comment below over there, and don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.